In a very exciting news, now GPT-4's competitor is here. Google's Gemini Ultra, set for release this Wednesday this week according to a leaked document, targeting it as a direct competitor to OpenAI's GPT-4. This is already a huge news. No one likes the monopoly, and it is a high time that we get an alternate of OpenAI's GPT-4 model. Gemini Ultra has shown impressive results in several benchmarks. Every technology shift is an opportunity to advance scientific discovery, accelerate human progress, and improve life. And this is where this transition to have a stiff and neck to neck competition between ultra fast, ultra performant, and huge, humongous closed source large language model is very, very important. And Google's promise with this Gemini Ultra is to make AI more helpful for everyone, everywhere in the world. This is incredible momentum, and I still believe that this is just the beginning, just the start, and we have started to scratch the surface of what's possible with this AI. Now, as I was saying, that this Gemini Ultra has already shown state of the art or sort of performance on lot of benchmarks. If you look at these benchmarks, this is amazing. Google has been rigorously testing their Gemini models and evaluating their performance on a wide variety of tasks from natural image, audio, and video understanding to mathematical reasoning. Gemini Ultra's performance exceeds current state of the art results in 30 of the 32 widely used academic benchmarks used in LLM research and development. With a score of 90%, Gemini Ultra is the first model to outperform human expert on MMLU, and MMLU stands for Massive Multitask Language Understanding, which uses a combination of 57 subjects such as maths, physics, history, law, medicine, and ethics for testing both world knowledge and problem solving abilities. Their new benchmark approach to MMLU enabled Gemini to use its reasoning capabilities to think more carefully before answering difficult questions, leading to significant improvement over just using its first impression. If you look at this benchmark results and comparison of Gemini Ultra with GPT-4, you will see that Gemini Ultra is has done really well in a lot of benchmarks against GPT-4. For example, look at MMLU or even HellaSwag, where Gemini Ultra is lagging a bit, but other than that, on most of the benchmarks, it has really performed very, very well. The difference in some of the cases is not huge, for example, when it comes to math, but still good enough, and beating GPT-4 in its own game is not a small thing. Similar are the results when it comes to multimodal systems. Multimodals are which deals in different sort of media, text, audio, video, and that sort of stuff. Now, if you look at this diagram and this picture, you can see that on most of the multimodal tasks, Gemini has been consistently performing well, which is simply amazing. Especially, I'm very impressed by this infographic VQA, where Gemini Ultra has done really well on zero shot. Amazing stuff. So, Gemini sets itself apart as a multimodal model adept at processing and understanding a diverse range of data types, including text, code, audio, images, and videos. Unlike previous models that stitch together separate components for different modalities, Gemini is natively multimodal, trained from the outset on various data types, then fine tuned to enhance its effectiveness. This integrated approach allows Gemini to understand and reason about inputs more holistically and accurately than prior multimodal models. At the end, I am very, very excited, can't wait for it to get released, because I still believe that this is a significant milestone in the development of AI and the start of a new era for everyone out there. And it seems, after reading this press release and blog post from Google, that they have really done really well on this, and they not only have increased the capabilities for this Gemini Ultra, but they have increased the context window for even more, for processing even more info to give better responses. So that's it. I think amazing stuff. Let me know your thoughts on it. As soon as it is released, I'll try to make a video and share it with you. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network. Thanks for watching.